Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new Dollar General ad. We have a lot to go over. We've got a 4-day sale, a 1-day sale, and a 3-day sale. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, so we're just going to do a quick flip through of our weekly ad. I'm going to be honest with you guys, there's not a whole lot in here to really talk about. A lot of Thanksgiving deals on food, but nothing, too great to write home about, right? So we're just going to do a quick flip through here. If you guys need to pause it at any time, feel free to do that. There is a quick little deal down here. We got the True Living trash bags, normally $7.50 to $8 each. You're going to instantly save 50 cents, and we should get a new 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's saving $1 there. And we are all going to need trash bags for Thanksgiving and Christmas, right? On this next page, we've got a few deals. We've got Clover Valley canned pumpkin, 3 for $3. The Cool Whip is on sale for $2.25, but it's a lot cheaper at Walmart. I believe it was $1.68. We are getting new coupons for the sugar, the brown sugar, the powdered sugar, and the flour. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys remember those deals last year. I believe they were a lot better last year. We were getting them for about $1 or so each. So it's kind of disappointing. I was expecting some better deals on the Clover Valley products. And we didn't get the vegetable oil like we did last year either. Anyways. Moving on, inside, this is just kind of looking at all of their holiday items. Now, I do need to point this out. They have a 6-foot pre-lit tree for $35. That's going to be important later on. And then we also have the 4-foot pre-lit tree for $20. We have the Santa 48-inch for $50. The Gnome and the Moose 41 inches. Those are $25 each. And then, again, just some more holiday decor items, and they do have some really cute stuff this year. All right, here's some new coupon matchups. So we're getting a 2 off 2 for the Glade, $3.25 off 2 for the Febreze, and a 2 off 1 for the Airwick 5-count refills. Buy one get one half off deals down here at the bottom on the sheet sets, quilts, comforter sets, the Comfort Bay pillows, and the Comfort Bay bath towels. So buy one get one 50% off all week next week. Next up, nothing too great on this page either, just our regular coupon matchups that we normally get. Down here at the bottom, we have a sale on the Scott bath tissue and paper towels. They're going to be 2 for $9. Hopefully we still have that instant savings going on as well. Next page, again, just some more regular coupon matchup stuff. Down here at the bottom, we've got gift sets, anywhere from $1 all the way up to $10 each. Right here in the middle, we have Blue Dot accessories. They're going to be 50% off all week long, so be on the lookout for those. And then on the back here, we have our candy deals. So we do have coupon matchups for that. We have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters, 3 for $5. And that's about it for our regular weekly ad. All right, now we're going to get into the good deals. So we have a 4-day sale. This is going to start on Sunday, November the 20th, and run through Wednesday, November the 23rd. Okay, so we've got some really good deals in here, guys. We have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They're going to be on sale 3 for $12. We're going to get a 2 off 3 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $10 for 3. We have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. They're going to be on sale 3 for $5. That's a definite stock up price if you drink Coca-Cola and Sprite. We have the Clover Valley single serve coffee 12 counts. They're going to be $3.75. The Clover Valley and Good Smart canned vegetables. They're going to be 2 for $1. And the Clover Valley 32-ounce broths or stock. They're going to be 2 for $2. So that's pretty similar to what the same sale that Family Dollar is running as well. Next, we have some gift ideas. So we have the toy vehicles or vehicle play sets, normally priced $1 to $25 each. They're going to be 25% off. We have a sale on the ProScan Light Show speaker, normally $15. That's going to be $8, so about 50% off there. We have the Vibe Kids headphones, normally $8. They're going to be 50% off, so that's going to be paying $4. We have select items shown here, normally $3 to $8. They're going to be 25% off. And here's a stock up deal on batteries. So we have the Generate heavy duty or alkaline batteries, assorted counts, normally $1 to $10 each. They're going to be buy one, get one free. So that is a definite stock up deal there. We have the True Living Jiffy Foil pans, $2.50 to $5.35 each. They're going to be buy one, get one half off. We have the Sparkle Paper Towels, 4 double rolls, priced at $5. We should get a $1.50 off one digital coupon. So that's going to leave us paying $3.50. And then we have the True Living and Good Cook bakeware sets. So those are going to be buy one, get one half off. Moving on to the back here, we have a sale on the stockings, hats, and mini stockings that are priced at $1. So those are going to be just 75 cents. We have the Comfort Bay blankets, priced at $16 to $35. They're going to have an instant savings of $5 on those. We have the lighted garland, priced at $7 to $12 each. They're going to be 25% off. The Trolley, Nerds, and Sweet Tart candy canes are going to be on sale too for $4.50. The Andes Snap Bars, they're going to be on sale too for $3. Normally $2.25 each, so really good sale on those. And we have the Bob's Sweet Stripes Peppermints, $5 each. They're going to be buy one, get one half off. We have the Fruit of the Loom men's or women's fleece pants or crew. They're going to be on sale too for $12. We have the holiday leggings priced at $5. They're going to be on sale for $3.50. So really good deal there. And then we have cold weather accessories starting out at $1 each. They're going to be buy one, get one free. So another really good deal. Great for stocking stuffers. And then we have a couple of coupon matchups here. We have the Hefty foam plates, 38 count or 15 count. Those are going to be on sale 3 for $6. And we have that 1 off 3 digital coupons. So you're going to pay $5 for 3. We have the True Living bath tissue, the Purex, and the All Laundry products. We have an instant savings on the Bic utility lighters. Those are priced at $3.95, or you can pick up the Flex Wand at $4.50. You're going to instantly save $1.50 at the register. Then down here at the bottom, we have another instant savings deal on the Craig Mini Tower. Normally $25. You're going to instantly save $5, so you'll pay $20. Then we have buy one, get one free on the Peak Antifreeze and the Valvoline motor oil. All right, next up, here is our big day, the 1 day only sale. This is where we're going to get the best deals, okay? So 1 day only, Thanksgiving Day on Thursday. The stores are going to open up at 7 a.m. and close at 10 p.m. So let's get into this. So we have a sale on the toys again. Buy one, get one 75% off. This is on the yellow or blue dot toys or the yellow or blue star toys. Now this offer is extended and runs through Friday and Saturday as well. So really good deal there. Great for Christmas presents. Next, we have the Baby Cakes mini appliances. These are normally $13, but you're just going to pay $5 on Thursday, so that's over 50% savings there. We have 50% off on the artificial trees, lights, toppers, tree skirts, and ornaments. A lot of that stuff starts out at $1 each. Remember, the trees, the 6-foot tree was $35. The 4-foot tree was $20. So if you need a Christmas tree, that might be the deal for you. All right, moving on down, we have a lot of instant savings deals. So we have the Toastmaster 7-quart slow cooker at $30 and the air fryer at $40. You're going to instantly save $15 on Thursday. Then we have the Frigidaire mini fridge priced at $35. You're going to instantly save $10, so that's going to be paying $25. We have the First Health Trigger Massage with Heat Therapy priced at $30. You're going to instantly save $10, so you're going to pay $20 on Thursday. And then we have the Skyrider LED drone priced at $35. You're going to instantly save $10, so you'll pay $25. 15% off for the Lowe's gift cards. Instantly save $3 on the wall clippers. We have the plush pants for the family. These are priced at $5, but on Thursday you're going to pay $3.50, so really good deal there. Then we have the matching pajamas for the family, normally priced at $12.50, but on Thursday you're going to pay just $8, so pretty good deal there as well. Here's another 50% off deal. We have the Throw neck pillow and eye mask 3-piece set, normally $20, but you're going to pay $10 on Thursday. Then we have a couple of coupon matchups. We have a free Febreze plug-in warmer. So that's a really good, awesome deal. Then we have the 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. Those are going to be on sale for $11 on Thursday. So hopefully that Ibotta rebate will stick around. Next, we have the True Living 6 Mega Rolls on sale for $4.75. Planters, peanuts, cashews, all kinds of stuff. They're going to be buy one, get one half off with the Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil for $3.25. McCafe coffee at $5.95. Then we have the Maxwell House Folgers and Cafe Bustelo coffees at $5.50. And last but not least, we have a sale on the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist, and A&W 12 packs. They're going to be on sale 3 for $10. All right, now the deals continue. And we have another sale. This one starts on Thanksgiving Day and runs through Saturday, November the 26th, okay? So we have holiday candles and the nutcrackers. Those are going to be buy one, get one half off. If you want to pick up one of the big expensive Santas or the moose or the gnome, you're going to instantly save $5. We have 25% off for the Elf Mates books or the little plush dolls. The decorative holiday bows are going to be 25% off. Garland is going to be 50% off. Up here at the top, we have a really good deal. We have the Toastmaster toaster, the hand mixer, can opener, mini chopper, or 1.5 quart slow cooker, normally priced at $12 to $15, but starting on Thursday through Saturday, you're going to pay just $5. So awesome deal there. We have an instant savings of $10 on the butterfly chairs that are priced at $40. We have the animal stools priced at $22. You're going to instantly save $5. Super cute. Then we have a sale on the True Living storage containers, 5-piece set. So those are normally $20. And then we have the Rubbermaid take-alongs. Doesn't say how many pieces are in it, but it's $15. They're going to be on sale, both of those, for $10. We have an instant savings on the Dirt Devil 3-in-1 vacuums priced at $35. You're going to instantly save $15. The No Break totes priced at $20 are going to be on sale for $10. We have buy one, get one 50% off on the Pro Living extension cords. Down here at the bottom, we have the castor oil motor oil on sale. Buy one, get one for free. Then we have the instant savings on the Energizer batteries. And it looks like we're going to get a new digital coupon on the 16 packs right there. All right, turning it over here, we have 50% off for the Comfort Bay throws, blankets, and character bedding, priced at $5 to $35 each. We have a sale on the Sharpie 12-count sets. They're going to be $5. We have the set of 4 wall shelves, priced at $25, or the chalkboard calendar or the wine glass rack, priced at $12. Both of those are going to be 50% off. Then we have the framed art starting out at $3. It's going to be on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. We have the Premier Finds Novelty Gifts. Those are priced at $5 each. They're going to be buy 1, get 1 for free. A sale on the Cozy Stocks. Great stocking stuffer. So these are normally priced at $2. They're going to be 50% off at just $1. Then we have the LA Colors nail polishes. Those are going to be buy 2, get 1 for free. Also, buy 1, get 1 free on the Command hooks. These start out at $2.15. We have a sale on the Comfort Bay bath towels that are priced at $2. They're going to be on sale for $1.50. Here we have a spin deal. So when you spend $6 on any Scent Happy items starting out at $1 each, you're going to get one of the foaming hand soaps for free. Then we've got a couple of deals on the cell phones down here. Up here, we have 25% off for the gaming items, priced at $5 to $25 each. A sale on the Craig Bluetooth Tower, priced at $45. It's going to be on sale for $30. The ProScan Bluetooth Boombox, priced at $25. It's going to be on sale for $20. 50% off for the karaoke microphone, priced at $12. You're going to pay $6 during this sale. Then we have 30% off for the Palm or Sentry headphones. Then we've got some gift card deals down here at the bottom. Then we have a sale on the 7-Up, A&W, Dr. Pepper's, Canada Dry, Sunkist, and RC Cola 6 packs on sale 3 for $10. Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters on sale 2 for $2.50. There's that deal on the Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters again, 3 for $5. We have the Orbit and Extra Gum. It's going to be on sale 2 for $2. The Russell Stover and Whitman's chocolates, they're going to be buy 1, get 1 half off. We have the Tombstone pizzas, 2 for $9. The Cheez-It crackers are going to be $2.65. Ritz crackers are going to be 2 for $5.50. Then we've got some coupon matchups. So we've got Extra laundry detergent for $3.50. Purex will be $2.25 after a $1.50 off one digital coupon. The Glade air fresheners will be buy 3, get 1 for free. And then it looks like we're going to get a digital coupon for buy 1, get 1 free on the Airwick product. So that will be really good. We've got True Living candles and scented oil. And the Hefty trash bags are going to be $5.15. The Fresh Step cat litter 7 pounds are going to be 2 for $8. The Caesar dog treats are going to be buy 1, get 1 free. The Good and Fun treats are going to be buy 1, get 1 50% off. And looky here, Iams dog food, normally $9.50 each, buy 1, get 1 free. Alright guys, so there you have it for our 3 big sales that are going on at DG this week. Now, just in case you all missed it, I did upload the new penny list, which begins on November the 22nd. I uploaded that video earlier this morning, so if you missed it, go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below for you. But that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.